my channel G House Vlogs. Today we are going for shopping. One of our friend, they have a wedding in the family, तो उनको लेके मैं जा रही हूँ शाहपुर जाट. शाहपुर जाट ये मोस्टली डिजाइनर्स वेडिंग आउटफिट्स मिलते हैं, तो कीप वॉचिंग. So I'm on my way to airport. Actually, a friend, she lives in US, but abhi she's coming from Banaras and Mumbai because she had gone there to meet her sister and parents. So I'll pick her from the airport and then we'll go to Shahpur Jat because she has to buy a few lehengas and all for her daughter. Okay. So this is the main lane. You can see on both the sides there are many designer stores. See, they have lovely artificial jewelry. You want to see any jewelry also artificial? No? Okay, so jewelry is out. We are basically focusing on lehengas. I'll tell you in which shop we should go. Huh?
Tell me which one.
You've been to this one? You want to go there? No. Huh? They see that same type of saree. This is my favorite shop, Ashma Asit. This one?
Nice.
Yeah. And even this shop, Kalista, they also have very lovely collection, something very different. There is one shop of home furnishing also as well. जो वेडिंग आउटफिट लेने आते हैं ना, तो साथ साथ they can buy good bed covers, and Guruji's photo is also there. Sure. We have seen almost all shops of Jungi Lane. Now we are going to another lane because there are many lanes over here, but this is the main. Jungi Lane is the main lane. Vimy, they also have very decent collection. Because it's going to end. This is the end of Jungi Lane. There are few other lanes like this, but this is the main lane. These two shops, no, we'll just.
This looks heavy.
No, don't like it. Heavy है तो will come out. No, heavy stuff. Very. They have nice household things.
Yeah.
देखिए, नायाब. which has got lot products for home and all, for garden. See these lovely planters, and look at these. All those who are looking to change their decor, they can come here. We'll get lot of lovely things over here. I love this table. This is so beautiful. Thank you. I'm going to my favorite shop, Shoe Garage. I normally buy my footwear from there. You can get lovely footwear also with your length. Yeah, nice. It's looking nice. Is it comfortable?
It's very comfortable. Because इसमें ना पैर हिल नहीं रहा.
It's looking very nice. If it's comfortable, na?
Take another color.
No. This one is looking so nice. No, silver is better.
Silver चाहिए. तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
Very pretty. They have footwear for men also. So after Shahpur Jat, we have come to Ritu Kumar, and they have such lovely collection. I think now red is again back in fashion for brides, so they have lots of lehengas for brides. All these are saris. We are at South Ex outlet, and now they have home furnishing also. So finally we have bought so many things from Ritu Kumar. Thank God. Okay, bye. See you everyone. So, how was your experience?
Very nice.
Nice?
Thank you for all your suggestions and help.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.